Wishing a 2 BHK converted into 3 BHK Atlantic. This is Sherly Rajan Road, Rizvi complex, 7-story, 3 apartments per floor, about 30-year-old building. Nicely and neatly done and great society, organized as well. Sherly Rajan Road, Rizvi complex. This is the one. We keep coming back here all the time. A great locality and a posh locale. Let's go and have a look at a 2 BHK converted 3 BHK. A lovely apartment, fully done up. Just showing you from this side, it is how this looks at the moment, recently painted, and it's done up new now, very much a new. Wishing a 2 BHK converted into a 3 BHK, Sherly Rajan Road, Rizvi complex. This is Atlantic, a bright, shiny, with plenty of sunlight coming in, and it's a newly done apartment. Couple of years ago, they renovated and refurbished the entire apartment, spent about ₹500 crore on this one. Greenery as usual. The Bandra vibe is always there and prevalent. Lovely living space. So the movable furniture will go away, and they've created the entry from here as well as from the other side. So 2 BHK converted into 3 BHK has to be designed in such a way that it creates a lot of opportunities for space. And that's a nice long living space. Everything is imported, but what they'll do is the seller will take everything away, so the fixed stuff will stay. One of the bedrooms, another entry and exit here as well, so that the kitchen, when somebody's cooking, they get a lot of privacy. So this has been there are 2 entry and exits out there. So what they've done is a lovely bedroom and a kitchen onto this side, and a bit of storage as well. Of course, the kitchen becomes smaller because the kitchen was here, and now this has been created into a bedroom. So if you want to go back to your basic plan of 2 BHK, you can do that. Approximately 800 square feet carpet area, 7-story Atlantic. Wardrobe spaces everywhere, cabinets and lofts. And what you have here is another bedroom. So now these are main bedrooms. They were there as usual, and they've created more space here for walk-in wardrobe and the bathrooms. There you go. So the attached bathroom there, and the attached bathroom has been made common as well from the entry and exit from there. So let's go and have a look ahead. Stylish bedroom, and no kerfuffle or noise or traffic pollution, the noise pollution as you always see. It's quiet and serene. Yeah, so that's what it is. So we saw the bedrooms 1 and 2. Now we can go and check the last bedroom. So the last bedroom is open, and this is also done up with both sides open, cross ventilation, all sides open. This is the attached bathroom, and plenty of greenery as you can see outside as well. So you can design it the way you like. This is a 2 BHK converted into a 3 BHK Atlantic, Sherly Rajan Road, Rizvi complex. Advertise, rent, sell your property on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook with Rafiq Merchant. If you want to come have a look at this, holla at me guys. Cheers. I love Bandra.